Hi, Paul Rossano here. I'm really excited to be bringing a virtual training to your group this week. And I wanted to just record this quick personal message from me to you and let you know a little bit more about it. And essentially what I'll be teaching you is a topic that we call hacking finance. And what hacking finance is essentially are financial strategies, basically legal loopholes in the financial system that can have you build your wealth a lot faster with a lot less work and a lot less stress. And essentially, these are strategies that take the very powerful financial forces in our financial system, things like inflation and taxes and interest and something called float. And all these things that are built into the financial system that have the financial system work against all of us. And these strategies that I'll be teaching you with hacking finance are strategies that will have the financial system, all these powerful forces literally working for you to build your wealth for you on autopilot. And these are things that really only the top 0.1% of people in this country and on this planet have known about for a really long time, and the rest of us have not ever heard of. So that's what I'll be teaching you. Really excited to bring you this training. And I'll be literally teaching you one strategy. I'll teach you how to go and set it up the next day that can increase your net worth by 6 to 7 figures over time. Extremely powerful stuff. Make sure that you're fully present, fully available for the entire training. You do not want to miss 1 second of this. Your mind will absolutely be blown. And again, this is Paul Rossano. Really excited to bring this training to you, and I look forward to seeing you there.